Another day in sunny Alberta, Canada. Welcome back to a new video, guys. Day, I don't know, 12, something like that. We're actually heading home in a couple of days, and today we are heading to a place called Elbow Falls, I want to say. So it's about an hour's drive from where we are staying, close by to Canmore, and it should be nice. I'm guessing we're going to see some kind of waterfalls, and we're going to try and find a nice hike to go on. So again, more nature and more wildlife. So we'll see you when we're there. Okay, so we actually just saw well, we didn't see it happen, but we saw a car just overturn in the ditch at the side of the highway. So I'm just hoping that whoever was in that car is okay. It must have only just happened as we went past, because there was a couple of people pulled over, and I seen a guy sort of run over to the door and try to sort of get it open, and then we just seen about 2 or 3 fire engines go past. So yeah, hopefully they are okay, but it must have been pretty high speed, because like I said, it's on a highway, so 110 kilometers an hour, which is I think about 68 mile an hour. So yeah, just hope they're okay. But yeah, I think we're about 23 minutes now from Elbow Falls, aren't we? That's where we're going. Yeah, so I don't know how well you can see, but up there ahead they've blocked the road for some reason. Now I don't know. I mean, I think we're supposed to turn in here, aren't we?
No.
Yeah, that's what it says.
No, it doesn't.
It says. That's what it said.
The sign doesn't say there.
Yeah, it does. Oh, road closed at 8 AM, reopened. Oh yeah, don't reopen till the 15th of May, so that's not reopened today. Yeah, I'm sure this is where we're supposed to go.
Oh yeah, it is.
Not a bad spot for some lunch. It's a bit windy. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a bit windy around here. Yeah, and it's snowing now as well. It's nice though. So we've managed to make our way back up to the road. This is where it's closed. So it's closed sort of down there, and then we parked sort of down there. But I don't know how well you can see the snow, but it's pretty heavy right now. So I just thought I would take a little walk up this hill here, and yeah, left the fiance down at the bottom, but yeah, decent view up here. She's absolutely petrified of seeing a bear or, you know, a cougar or something. I'm probably less so. But yeah, I suppose time to walk back down again. Yeah, I couldn't see any bears or cougars. You surprised?
No, because if you see one you wouldn't be here.
So we made it to the falls themselves, and I have to say, very nice. Let's continue walking. snow is pretty damn heavy now. I don't know how well you can tell. We are full on, right in the thick of it. So I guess this is kind of the final viewpoint. Again, there's the falls down there. But we need to head back. It's absolutely bitter. Feels like my ears are about to fall off. And yeah, not ideal weather conditions, we'll just say that. Get me in the warm.
You've got snow all on. Wait there, let me.
Jesus. Yeah. Okay, so I think we've established. Is it still snowing in here?
Yeah.
I think we've established that there's a few things that I need. I need a decent pair of walking boots because trainers, they're just not cutting it. I need a decent coat, which I did have one, but the fiance is, you know, she's been
borrowing
wearing that. Yeah, she's been wearing that. And I need a decent hat because I don't know if you can tell, but my ears are bright red. Feels like they're about to fall off, so hopefully they don't, because you kind of do need them. But yeah, it's probably our time here done, isn't it? At Albo Falls. It was nice, wasn't it?
It was a bit smaller than what I was expecting.
Yeah.
But obviously we have seen Niagara Falls.
Well, yeah, yeah. You can't really compare it to Niagara Falls, but it's definitely worth coming here.
Nice walk up and down the river.
Yeah, yeah, it is. But yeah, when it's snowing, when you haven't got the right gear on, it can make things a little bit uncomfortable.
I've got the right gear.
Yeah.
Your gear.
Just make sure you have someone to borrow that gear off. But yeah, I think we're going to head back now, aren't we? And it's probably going to be time for dinner. I have no idea what time it is. What time are we on?
I reckon it's about 6.
It's not gonna be 6. No, it's only 4 o'clock. So, but it'll be about 5, half 5 by the time we're back, won't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, probably won't be long before we get the dinner on. We've got some burgers, I think. So yeah, should be good. Okay, so we're pretty much halfway back to the accommodation now, and like literally, I don't know, 10-15 minutes from where we was, like the snow just disappeared and we're out in the lovely sunshine. It's absolutely crazy how fast the weather can change here. I think sort of when you are in and around the mountains or a little bit higher up, it is going to be a bit colder and you probably will experience some snow. But yeah, like I said, you know, when you're out, you know, out of the mountains and, you know, back on sort of the highway, it's, yeah, completely different weather. It's like 8 degrees outside now, which doesn't sound that warm, but you know, it's a decent temperature, isn't it? So yeah, it's something worth noting. It's not always cold everywhere you are in Canada. So of course we are back now, and yet again dinner is served. Burger, sweet potato fries, green beans, Dr. Pepper, can't go wrong. Just on a little post-dinner walk, take a look at the scenery once more. Another night in the hot tub. Okay then guys, so we are back in the room now and we're going to be going to bed pretty shortly, so I'm going to wrap this video up. Hopefully you all have enjoyed it. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!